In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip text masking in Canva. 5 minutes. Text masking is a simple way to place a photo or video inside your words so the image shows through the letters. It's perfect for bold titles, thumbnails, and social posts that need a quick pop of style. Start by logging into Canva. Using the desktop browser version gives you a bit more room to work, but the steps are the same across devices. Once you're in, create a new design in the size you need or open an existing project if you've already started one. Picking the right canvas size up front will save you time later, especially if you're designing for a specific platform. Next, place your photo or video on the design page as the background. You can upload your own media or use something from Canva's library. Drag it onto the canvas and stretch it to cover the entire page so the mask has plenty of image to reveal. High-resolution visuals work best, and strong colors or clear textures will make your text more readable. Now, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. In the search bar, type Clipping Mask. Open the Clipping Mask app. This tool streamlines the masking process so you don't have to manually crop or layer shapes. If you see a prompt to continue, just follow the on-screen instructions so the app can load inside your project. With your background selected on the canvas, click Start Masking in the Clipping Mask app and choose text as your mask type. Enter the word or phrase you want to use. For best results, choose a bold, thick font so more of your image or video shows through. Shorter words and uppercase letters often create a stronger, cleaner result. You can adjust letter spacing if you want the texture or motion to be more visible between characters. Once your text mask appears, adjust its size and position. Scale it up so the content inside the letters is easy to see, and center it or align it with your layout as needed. Pay attention to contrast. If parts of your image are too light or too busy, you may want to move the mask so the most striking areas sit inside the letters. When you're happy with the preview, click Add to Design to apply it to your canvas. Your masked text is now placed and ready to use alongside other elements in your design. That's it. You've clipped text masking in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your next standout design.